Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about Pepe, understanding what's happening with the price of Pepe, and what we could be expecting. Shout out to the Pepe community, one of the strongest communities without a doubt, in the crypto space, and one of the strongest meme coin communities out there. And I'm sure if you've been following the channel from day one, this is something I've been discussing. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening right now with the price of Pepe, what we could be expecting going further, of course, to the end of the year of December. I'm sorry, at the end of the year of 2024, which is crazy to think about. But yeah, yet again, we are seeing quite a bit of red across the board. I understand the frustration. People are like, we want to see those gains that we were seeing back in November, leading into the month of December. But right now, that's not the case. Dominance is picking up, like what we've discussed, and now people are starting to understand why you really did not want to see the dominance going up, because dominance has a lot of strength for itself, and Bitcoin barely has had a move towards the downside. It's a minor pullback in my opinion for Bitcoin, but it has a major impact on the altcoin market. You can see across the board, double-digit drop for altcoins yet again, and Pepe down about 11.5%, with the price currently sitting at 1733, still 4 zeros in front of the price, down 9% in Bitcoin and about 6% in Ethereum comparative. Market cap at about 7.27 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $3.1 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So I want to show you guys the holder count first. Holder count is currently sitting at 358,500 holders. It's continuing to grow day in, day out. Regardless of the price going down, regardless of the price going up, you are seeing holder count coming in, and a lot of people are accumulating, which tells you that, in terms of people's interest for Pepe, it hasn't slowed down. As far as the broader meme coin market goes, the broader meme coin market is taking a major hit. Now, if you're looking at the market cap, we're about to actually see the entire market valuation for the broader meme coin market make its way back below $100 billion. I think, we're seeing a major sale, depending on how your strategy is. Of course, you do your due diligence research, but for the people that are dollar cost averaging on a continuous basis, I'm sure a lot of people are looking at these sales, because some coins are down tremendously over the last 1 week. Of course, at the end of the day, these are meme coins, and now people are starting to understand meme coins have a lot of excitement to themselves. When they tend to pump up, everyone's super excited, but you need to realize these things can, when the market turns around, they will go down much more. And you're looking at that happening. You're looking at Peanut Coin down 42% over the last 7 days, a major pullback. But you're seeing 30 to 40% for multiple different projects. I'm sorry, 20 to 40%, and that tells you everything you need to know. And of course, the risk factor associated with meme coins. But in my opinion, I'm not going to name specific meme coins, but there are opportunities definitely out there that I'm currently eyeing out, and I will be accumulating, of course. But as far as the big boys are concerned, everything is down. Like I said, I don't want to hear any comments coming in just specifically about Pepe being down. If you're looking at the last 7 days, literally everything is down, including Dogecoin down 21.4%. And I'm going to make a Dogecoin update as well, because I've been getting a lot of requests for that. But yeah, let's take a closer look and see what's happening with the price. So of course, dominance yet again back above that major key resistance. It's something that we don't like seeing, but it's the case right now. What can we do? And now people are starting to understand the importance of the dominance index and why you don't want it to move up. And in return, Bitcoin has been showing some bearish movements. Right now, we're currently sitting at $96,500. Of course, not the best thing. Not a major drop, but what you're looking at with the dominance shows that there is a major lack for the altcoin and the meme coin market, and you can see that, and there's no secret about that. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening with Pepe. So of course, we saw a beautiful bounce yesterday all the way up to the 1961 zone. If you watch my update, literally watch my yesterday's update, I did say, if we're able to break out of this key resistance, we could reclaim that 2000-ish zone quite fast, and we actually made our way up to that range. I'm going to show you guys something. So if you picked up some Pepe and got lucky around the 1453, and again, it did not last too long, but if you did see Pepe go up 35%, which was of course really nice to see. But as the entire market is correcting, dominance is going up, you obviously are going to see Pepe reacting to that. And of course, now that same key support is playing out, which was our previous all-time high, as we know. Let me show it to you on the daily time frame. That's exactly where we're being supported by right now as of recording this update. Again, obviously, if this support does not hold, the likes of us retesting the 1420 zone could still be on the table. I know not a lot of people want to hear this, but that's the case, and you don't want to be ignoring what's happening with Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin actually, let me show you guys Bitcoin on the hourly time frame. Well, let's actually give it a refresh live, because if Bitcoin loses the support where we're currently sitting at, we could see more downside without a doubt. So yeah, that would be around the support where we're currently sitting at. If we lose this support, we could make our way down to the 94,273, and if that does not hold, 90k Bitcoin is still on the table in my opinion, which of course in my opinion will cause the dominance to pretty much retest the yearly highs. So expect more downside for altcoins, and I literally predicted this 4 or 5 days ago when market didn't even see honestly a week back, based off of what we're seeing with the dominance, and the market did not even see the correction that it has been seeing. But this is why you want to be paying very close attention to Bitcoin and not just only focusing on the Pepe's price, what it's doing. But I still, in terms of my overall upwards targets, nothing has changed. But right now, the short term, maybe a little bit of a shakeout could be in play if Bitcoin does not hold around here. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.